All right, let's get a closer look. Oh my God. Look at this. We got a stick. Lot of algae. And then we got these flying helicopters. Helicopter seedlings. And a huge stick. This is ridiculous. But as you can see, I got this screen catching most of the debris because of all the trees. Wonder if there's any frogs swimming. I hear them late at night. So let's get this cover off. Here it comes. That's disgusting. Look at all that. Ew. Oh look, I've got some unexpected help. That's always nice. Hey little girl!
What?
Would you like to help me fold that net up?
Oh, okay. I want to help you guys.
Okay, then pull back.
What are you guys doing?
There you go. Good job. Awesome.
Oh, now what?
All right, we're ready to remove this cover. What?
A little girl in my picture. Here's what you do. You pick up like this and start pulling like that.
What? Look at all the water bugs.
Green slime on top of the tarp went in the pool. What did he
Yeah,
say?
all the stuff on the tarp went in the pool. I'm not swimming in that pool. So look, it's squeaky clean.
Get it hard. Somebody get you wet? Hey! I whipped up!
AJ,
What?
you see how dirty that water is?
Yes.
Here's how clean it actually is. You can drink it. Okay, so what I did here is I went and chlorinated the water because after pulling the cover off, it was green and a lot of the algae from the cover got into the pool, and that's one of the downfalls to having a mesh cover is the water can go right through it, and when you try to pull it over the side of the pool, it's too heavy. And then if you try to pump the water off of the cover, water from the pool keeps coming in. It's a catch-22 scenario. Your best bet would be to have a solid cover, if you can find one that's 100% waterproof, which is difficult, but that's the way to go. So I'll quickly go over how I got the water blue. First, you get yourself a half a bucket of water. Stir stick, and then some chlorine granules. One of these cups here is about 1 pound. So you can buy the chlorine granule in bulk or get the 1 pound shock bags. Now I put 4 pounds in and then shock the pool and then see how the water looks, which it was still on the green side. So I shocked it once, it's 4 pounds, twice, 8 pounds, and now 12 pounds, and it finally turned blue. So you just put these scoops in there. I've already done it, so you just put 4 scoops in there, stir it all up until it's diluted real good, and then just pour it in your pool. You can pour it around the perimeter. I just pour it right in. Now we'll test the water to see where we're at. And for convenience, I got a glass of water from the pool, and then we'll get a test strip and just dip it. Chlorine's low, alkalinity looks alright, and then we're going to need some stabilizer. Okay, so I'll be mixing up some more chlorine. And then I have 2 tubs of stabilizer here. I'll put one of these tubs in and then test the water, and if I need more, I'll add the second one. And then I have the muriatic acid here. If you want to lower your pH, this is a inexpensive, effective way to go about it. And of course I have a video how to bring the pH down, how to add the stabilizer. See, I got the fill line in there. That's popping. Acting stupid. And since I'm on a well system, I run low and slow, 24/7, till I get to the level I need. You want to fill your pool to about the halfway mark on your skimmer. Now we'll assemble the pump and filtration system. Everything goes together like a puzzle. Isn't that cool? Awesome. We got the skimmer hose, goes to the inlet to the pump. There you go. And then we got the outlet jet. Now we'll just wait till the water level on the pool reaches the skimmer and then vacuum the debris to waste. There's that froggy I was talking about. Oh my God, there's a couple of them. And since this is a DE cartridge system, you have to remove the cartridge to vacuum to waste. So if you have a sand filter or some other type of filtration system, just follow the procedures to be able to vacuum the waste, and you'll be in line with what I'm doing. So at the moment, the water is extremely cloudy, and that's from the super shock. So I'm going to let it go a couple days, see if it clears up, so that way I'll be able to see the bottom to vacuum to waste. Alright, it's the next day. Now it's real clear what to vacuum. And you can see over in this area here, that's where the jet is. And if you aim it downward, it will keep that area clear and kind of circle the debris into a nice little area for you. I like it a little bit tighter than this. Normally it does that, but... Okay, so after we get all this vacuumed, we'll retest the water. And of course I'm vacuuming all this to waste out on the ground. Now you could go through your filtration system, but when I have a large amount of debris, I think your best bet is get that stuff out of the pool, out of your life, out on the ground. Very nice. That's beautiful. It's working good. Just get nice and slow and easy. Retest the water. Alright, that's looking good. pH is good. Chlorine is good. Stabilizer. Right there on the low side, we'll put a little bit more of that in. And then the alkalinity is good. Alright, so from this point on, all you have to do is test your water once a week, keep the water balanced, vacuum, and run your filtration. Any questions, comments? Leave down below.